Hey guys, and welcome to my first tutorial video on this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use overlays in your videos using Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, first step of the video is you definitely want to select this film clutter option or whatever overlay you have and drag it over your original clip. And place it right there. As you can see, it is a little too small, so we are going to need to select this clip and expand it more. But as you can see, it is covering up the video, so what we're going to need to do now is we're going to need to select the blend mode option, and there's a drop down box as you can see right here, and you can select the overlay option. And now the video is a little too bright. In particular for this video, it is covering up the seagull a little bit too much still and everything else in the video. So we're going to need to drop down the opacity in order to make this look better. So as you can see now, it does look a little bit better and does fit the ideal goal of this film, which is making it look older. So you can definitely mess with the opacity a little more. You can also mess with the positioning, if you have dots and lines in a overlay like this, if you want them in certain areas of the video, then you might want to consider that. Something else we can definitely do in order to make this overlay look a little bit better is mess with the lumetri color options in creative. Might just want to mess around and see what works best for you. In this example, I'm just going to mess around with it a little bit. I'm not going to try to sharpen it too much because sharpening kind of does ruin the outcome of the video. I'm not really going to discuss that in this tutorial though. But yeah, as you can see, I can bring the color up a little bit more, make the waves more blue. However, it is definitely going to mess with the overlay and it is going to make the clip look a little bit better. If this clip is not in the best quality, by the way, guys, the reason for that is I do have it in a quarter playback. And the reasoning for that is I use a laptop. I don't use a desktop. I don't have the best equipment currently, so I kind of work with what I got. So in this particular instance, you can definitely lower the saturation for this type of overlay in particular in order to make it fit more with the video. As you can see the lines a little more clearly. You can kind of see it a little better if you do drop the saturation for this type of overlay. So, keep in mind when you are picking an overlay, make sure you are choosing something that fits the clip in particular or whatever video you are making in order to make it come to life in any way you particularly want. For this video, like I said, I am going for older style. So I do feel like this fits the video a little bit better than, whatever else I could go for. I could definitely search for different overlays that could do the same thing and have the same goal with the video. But I felt like I really like this overlay. It's one of my favorite overlays. Alright guys, so that is all for this tutorial. I hope you guys learned something new and you can take it into your video editing career. For future videos, there will be more of these. I will try to figure out the editing style and all that. But yeah, I really appreciate you all for clicking on this video and watching and learning something new. If you have already learned this, then well, cool. Thanks for clicking on the video anyways. And yeah, thank you all for watching and have a wonderful day.